Because of the shortage in the labor pool in this industry, there was a big draw towards using piles for manufactured homes. It started with some of our franchise locations that were looking for different methods of doing this.
So as that pool of resources becomes smaller, we decided to create a system that would entice people to be able to install a foundation system and set a home in a much more efficient and really more interesting manner.
I think as I refine this system and teach it in my market, the people who are working for me are going to be excited about it, but also we will be able to attract the people who are coming in this industry to grow in it because we have a great, bright future. They're going to love the fact that we can have a set that's much easier in the application because of this GoliathTech system.